Hello, right, we're back on the board again. I don't know if you've noticed, but you can actually see the screen from every angle. All that's down to is a matte screen cover for an iPhone 4 cut in half. All of a sudden, all that glare and the light, well, you can see it from sideways, all over the place. Alright, what I'm trying to do here is for when I eventually get it running on the black stuff, I want to be able to boost the fan up from its standard speed of 4,000 RPM, which is flat out, because it only ever reaches 7 or 8 volts. 8 volts. But it will happily, being a 12 volt fan, take more without the speed sensor kicking in, which is quite surprising. Fire's rubbing on it. Okay, the difference in speed is quite amazing. It puts the speed up from 4,000 RPM flat out to, let's check it again. Oh, leave it down. I nearly cut from your wire then. Get out of it. So you can run it through a relay to a power source and boost it up to 12 volts, and it will happily run. The speed sensor doesn't kick in, and as soon as if you've got a switch for your fan for boosting it, you just turn it back on and let the controller take over. Right, let's shut it down and see if it moans. Let's see what sort of faults it comes up with. Glowy plug. Okay, the pump is off and not flashing. Blow out candle. Now it should give itself a quick blast. It's turning really slow. What is that? $1,200 RPM. I did try running 2 glow plugs in parallel, and so each had its own power supply and what have you, but it just could not. They would just glow, but they wouldn't glow red hot. But I'm working on a way around that using relays, so I can actually mount another glow plug directly into the base of the heater body. For a relay, you could then just have it on a rocker switch relay, like a rocker. Hold the button down, and the glow plug, because it's right in the bottom where all the black sludge will start pooling up. Thought the fan was going to fit on everything. Yes, so with the glow plug up right at the very bottom, it will hopefully clean up all the debris that drips down the bottom. Let's see how it goes.